If you're not using ghee when you're cooking, sauteing in the kitchen, you're missing out on a lot of benefits. It's a lot better than using just regular whole butter. This is essentially just clarified butter, meaning removing all that fat and impurities from the butter. So this is a great way to have just better ingredients in your food. And it also has a high smoke point of 485 degrees. So whether you're sauteing, which I'm gonna do a little cooking demo here, or using it and then finishing it off in the oven, 485 degrees until it starts smoking, as opposed to other oils and other butters that have a lot lower smoke point that start smoking at a lower temperature. So let's see how easy it is to use and fry an egg. So just to kind of show you the consistency here, it is just like butter because it's literally just clarified butter. So it's kind of that in-between state almost when butter is at that room temperature state. You don't usually need a whole lot of it. That's definitely more than what I even need, but we're just gonna go with it. But the great thing about this is an organic grass-fed ghee. So it's from butter, which of course is from milk. And this is non-GMO, it's gluten-free. It's great for high heat, lactose-free, and it's made in the US. So you got a lot of great things going on here. This is also just better for your gut health. And this is just better for your overall health than using regular whole butter, as I mentioned. So we're going to put on an egg here just to show you how great it is for non-stick purposes. I always like to make sure it fully covers the pan. It's super easy to use. Now, you don't really need to do much. It's literally nothing different than using oils or butter when you're cooking. There's nothing different you need to do with your technique or with anything else. This is going to help provide a great non-slip, non-stick surface, just as you can see here. It just makes it super easy to use. I love using the ghee because it has that nice, rich, buttery taste with it. That you don't get with other oils, and it just tastes better and it's better for you. So it's kind of like a no-brainer why you wouldn't be using ghee, and this is an organic grass-fed one as well. But that's all it is. It's that easy to use, and just like that you can have a perfectly fried egg sunny side up or however you want to cook it, and it doesn't really matter how you go about using it. You can do it however you want, and it's just super easy to use. This is just a great alternative to other butters, other oils out there. So it doesn't stick, and I love it because it's just such a great substitute for regular whole butter, which is just a lot fattier, not as easy on your gut, and just not as easy to digest as well. So it's that simple, and just like that, you've got yourself a perfect egg that didn't stick to the pan and took nothing to get it off, and now it's nice and clean. So that's why I love this organic grass-fed ghee. This is from Golden Monkey. Highly recommend it. Thank you to the brand for providing it for me.